Students, last time we had completed exercise 14.3 up to question number 5. Now we will start exercise 14.3 question number 6. 100 surnames were randomly picked up from our local telephone dictionary and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabets in the surnames was obtained as follows. So number of letters and number of surnames are given 1 to 4. There number of surnames are 6, 4 to 7, 30, 7 to 10, 40, 10 to 30, 16, 30 to 16, 4, and 16 to 94. Determine the median number of letters in the surnames. So we have to find out median. Find the mean number of letters in the surname. So we have to find out mean. Also find the model size of the surname. So we have to find out all of things. Mean, median, and mode. Okay. So first of all, you have to find out median. Okay. So start from median. So for finding median, we have to make third column is cumulative frequency. So we have to draw a third column is cumulative frequency CF. So how to find cumulative frequency CF? So simply we have to write down first frequency as it is here Fi. So 6 here as it is. Next we have to add a next frequency to previous frequency. So we have to write down 30 plus 6, 36. Okay. Next we have to add this frequency, add next frequency. So we have to add 40 plus 36. So 6 plus 0, 6, 4 plus 3, 7. Same thing we have to add in next frequency. So 16 plus 76. So 6 plus 6, 12. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9, 92. Again we have to add in next frequency. So 4 plus 92. So 96. And same thing we have to add in next frequency. So 4 plus 96 is equals to 100. So it gives total number of observations. Means total number of Fi. So here we can write 100 is equals to sigma Fi or n is equals to n, total number of observations. Okay. Now for finding median, we have to find out first median class. Okay. So we have to choose first median class. How to find median class? So first of all we have to find out the value of n by 2. So CF just greater value of n by 2 is equal to, here the value of n is 100. So 100 by 2 is equal to 50 is, so just the greater value of 50. So just the greater value of 50 is 76. You can observe here. So here 76. So third class 7 to 10 is called median class. Is 76 belong to belongs to 7 to 10. Okay. Therefore, median class is 7 to 10. We have to find out here median first. Median. Here we write down clearly belongs to 7 to 10. Therefore, median class is 7 to 10. Now we will find out all the value of median. We have required value is, what is the value? What is the formula for finding median? Okay. So n is equal to, we know that L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F multiplied by 10. So we have to find out the value of L, CF, F and L. Okay. So what is L? So we know that n is equal to lower limit of the median class. Okay. So median class is 7 to 10. So lower limit is 7. So n is equal to 7. Lower limit of median class. Lower limit of median class is equal to 7. Next, f. Frequency of the median class. So f is equal to 40. Frequency of median class is equal to 40. CF. Because CF is previous frequency of median class is, so CF is the previous frequency of median class. So previous frequency is 36. So CF is equal to 36. Next, H. What is it? Class length of given class. So here 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 30, 30 to 16, 60 to 19. So we can observe here class length will be 3. So H is equal to 3. And the value of N by 2 is already we have to find out 50. So now we have to put in all the value of L, F, C, F, H in our formula. Okay. So first of all, write down this. Okay. So next, N is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F multiplied by H. It is the formula for finding median in group data. Okay, keep in mind for group data. Now putting the value of N is 7. So here we can write down 7 plus the value of N by 2 is 50. So 50 minus the value of CF, cumulative frequency is 36, divided by F. F means 40 multiplied by 3 because the class length will be 3 is equal to 7 plus 50 minus 36. So 14 divided by 40 multiplied by 3. Now we will multiply by 14 into 3. So 7 plus 14 is 42 divided by 40. So 7 plus. Now we will divide 42 divided by 40. So answer is 1.05. Okay, 1.05. So final answer is 7 plus 1.05. So 8.05. It is the final answer of median. 8.05. Therefore, n is equal to 8.05. Right now. Okay. Next, we have to find out second one is mode. Same thing. Question. Here number of data sets, number of cells are given. So for finding mode, first of all, we have to find out the model class. Okay. So what is the model class? So highest frequency or maximum frequency of frequencies, it is called model class. So we have to check the highest frequency is 40. Okay, so model class is 7 to 10. Again I will repeat, the maximum frequency is belong to 7 to 10 class. So model class is 7 to 10. Okay, write down here maximum or highest frequency is 40. Highest frequency or maximum frequency is 40. So model class is 7 to 10. Okay. Next, what is the formula for finding mode? Okay, we will write down first here. Z is equal to, it is divided by Z. Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. So we have to find out the value of F1, F0, F2, L and H. Okay. So same thing of median class, lower limit of model class. Here we have to find out mode. So lower limit of model class is called L. Okay. So L is equal to lower limit of the model class. So model class is 7 to 10. So lower limit is 7. So L is equal to frequency of the model class. So model class is 7 to 10. Model class. So frequency of the model class is called F1. So F1 is equals to 40. Previous frequency of the model class. Previous means 30. So F0 is equal to 30. And succeeding of the model class, frequency of the succeeding class, it is called F2. So here F2 is equal to 60. So F0 is 30. F0 is equal to 30. F2 is equal to 16. And also we have to find out H. Already we have to find in median because this same question. So H is say H is 3. So write down H is equal to 3. Now we have to put in all this value in formula. So let us start. Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. The value of L is 7. So here we write down 7 plus the value of F1 is 40 minus F0. So 40 minus 30. We can write down here 40 minus 30. All divided by 2F1 means 40 into 2. So 42 side we have to write down directly. So 80 minus the value of F0 is 30. So minus 30 minus F2 means 16. 16 multiplied by 3 because class range is 3, 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 13, 13 to 16 and 16 to 19 is equal to 7 plus here 40 minus 30 10 divided by 80 minus here 30 minus 16 here both are negative so we have to add so 30 plus 16 so 46 multiplied by 3 now simplify is equal to 7 plus here multiply 10 is a 30 divided by 80 minus 46 so 34 answer is 34 now divide to 7 plus now we will divide 30 here by 34 so answer is 0.88 so 0.88 so final answer is 7 plus 0.88 so 7.88 so Z is equal to so mod is equal to 7.88 okay next second question number 6 we have to find out mean third one number of letters and number of students are given we have to find out mean again I will repeat for finding mean there are three methods direct method step deviation method and assumed mean method here observe that here class range will be same so we have to apply step deviation method okay so third column is exercise we have to find out next is midpoint or mean value you can write down also mean value or midpoint so third one is midpoint so how to find midpoint so 1 plus 4 we have to addition of lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2 so 4 plus 1 so 5 by 2 so 2.5 here class range is 3 so we have to add 3 in exercise so 2.5 plus 3 so 5.5 same thing we have to add 3 in previous section so 5.5 plus 3 8.5 again we have to add 3 so 8 plus 3 11.5 11.5 plus 3 14.5 14.5 plus 3 17.5 okay so it gives xi it gives midpoint of given class what is the next column by using we have to apply step deviation method so what is the formula for finding mean okay so we know that x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui divided by and multiplied by a so we have to find ui so next column is ui so what is the formula for finding ui so ui is equal to xi minus a divided by a okay so now furthermore we have to suppose assume mean a so here total number of classes are 1 2 3 4 5 6 so 6 so 7 to 10 and 10 to 13 are middle classes so we have to suppose the value of a is 8.5 or 11.5 Let us suppose A is equals to 8.5. So respective the value of A is 0. So the value of ui is 0. Here -1, -2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. What is next column? We have to find out fi ui. So we have to find multiplication of fi. Number of surnames gives fi. So we have to find out fi into ui. Okay. We have to multiplication of these two columns. So next column is fi into ui. So write down fi ui. So 6 into -2, -12. 30 into -1, -30. Next 40 into 0, 0. 16 into 1, 16. 4 into 2, 4 2 is 8. And last 4 into 3, 4 3 is 12. Okay. But we have to find out sigma fi ui. What is the meaning of sigma? Sigma means summation, sum. So we have to find the summation of fi ui. So we have to find out summation. So first of all we have to find addition of negative numbers and then find addition of positive numbers and then subtract. So here 12 plus 30. So answer will be -42. And here answer is 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 6 16. So 6. 1 plus 2 3. So 36. So final answer is -42 plus 36. So -42 plus 36. So 4 plus 2 8. So answer is -8. It gives sigma fi ui. Okay. Now we have to list out from table. From table we can write from table the value of n is equals to, we have to find out first the value of n is 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 4 20. So 0, 2 carry 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9 plus 1 10. So 100. The value of n is 100. So here write down n equals to 100. A is equal to, what did we have to suppose? 8.5. So A is equal to 8.5 sigma fi ui is equal to -8. H is equal to 3 because last time is 3. Already we have to find out the median and mode. So H is equal to 3. Now we have to apply formula of mean step deviation method. We have to write here step deviation method. Step deviation method. Okay. So what is the formula? Already we have written in above. So x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui divided by n multiplied by h. So the value of a is 8.5. 8.5 plus sigma fi ui is -8 divided by n is 100 multiplied by 3. So answer is 8.5 minus 8 is 24. So minus 24 by 100. So answer is 0.24. Okay. So answer is 8.5 minus 0.24. So final answer is, so x bar is equal to, what is the final answer? 8.5. So answer is 8.26. It gives meaning of given question. Next exercise 14.3, question number 7. The distribution below gives the weights of 30 students of a class. So here total number of students are 30. So here we can write down here n is equals to 30. Find the median weight of the students. So we have to find out median. Okay. So find median. Median. For finding median, we have to draw third column is cumulative frequency CF. So next column is cumulative frequency CF. So how to find CF? Again I will repeat. We have to write down first frequency here as it is. So here write down 2. Next we have to add next frequency to first frequency. So 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3, 5. Same thing we have to add in next frequency. So 8 plus 5, 13. Again we have to add in next frequency. So 6 plus 13, 19. Again we have to add in next frequency. So 6 plus 19, 25. Again we have to add in next frequency. So 3 plus 25, 3 plus 25 is equal to 28. And next we have to add in next frequency. So 2 plus 28 is equal to 30. So it gives the value of n. You have to check, recheck. Here final answer is 30 as well as the value of n is 30. It is called Fi. Okay. What is the formula for finding median in group data? So we can write down here n is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f multiplied by L. So we have to find out the frequency, low limit, and cumulative frequency and edge. So how to find? So first of all we have to find median class. Okay. So median class. So how to find median class? So we have to write down here n is equal to 30. Therefore the value of n by 2 is equal to 15. Okay. So cumulative just greater value of n by 2. N by 2 is 30. If so just the greater value of 30, we have to 15. N by 2 means 15, not 30. 15. So 15 is 19. Okay. Just the greater value of 15 is 19. Just greater means we have to check in CF column is 19. So 55 to 60 it is called a median class is 19, and it 19 belongs to 55 to 60. Belongs to 55 to 60. Therefore median class is 55 to 60. Okay. Now we have to find out the value of L, Cf, F and H easily from median class. Okay. We know that a low limit of median class is called L. So L is equal to 55. Frequency of the median class is 6. So F is equal to 6. It is called median class. So F is equal to 6. Previous frequency of the median class, it is called CF. So CF is equal to 30. And class length, here we have to observe 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, and 70 to 75. So class length will be 5. So H is equal to 5. And the value of M already we have to find out. Now we have to put the value of L, F, CF, H, and N by 2 in our formula. So let us start next. Okay, next. M is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F multiplied by H. So the value of L is 55. So here we can write down 55 plus in bracket. The value of N by 2 is 15. So 15 minus CF. The value of CF is 13. 15 minus 13 whole divided by the value of F is 6. So here we can write down here 6 multiplied by 5 because the value of H is 5. Now simplify it. So 55 plus here 15 minus 13. So 2 by 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 55 plus. Here we can cancel out 2 3s are 6. So next step is 5 by 3. 5 by 3. Now 55 plus 5 by 3. Now divide 5 by 3 means 3 ones are 3, 2. So this is 18. So answer is 1.6666. So we can write down approximately 1. 1.67. So 55 plus 1.67. So final answer is 55 plus 1. So 56.67. It gives median of given